What's up, guys? Back with another video. I hope you guys have been enjoying the Supercharger series, but today Andy is eating a cosmic brownie for one. For two,
America.
we're doing this. What is that?
Blower noises.
Blower noises. Exactly.
So, as I chew, swallow, basically this is the Shawn Foster wine mod kit. They have different stages, so it goes from stage 1, which I believe is 25% more wine, stage 2 is 50, stage 3 is 75, stage 4 is 100%.
Good God.
So I ended up going with a little bit on the conservative side. I went with the stage 3. I didn't want to go full on stage 4 because number one, it was more money and I didn't really know what to expect. So we're just gonna go with the stage 3. It can't be bad, right? I mean, in the car you don't really hear anything anyway, so this is gonna be better than nothing.
Yeah.
But he includes very detailed instructions, including a packing list, which is nice. So he includes everything. You know what? I'm gonna set this down. We're gonna eat that later. So included is everything that you need, including the grommets for both the firewall and the airbox, a zip tie, which I believe is to, if you want to zip tie the tube to anything to keep it clean. And then I thought this was really cool, actually. It's something really stupid, but they included the hole saw bit. I mean, that's just kind of cool, because then you don't have to go to the store and buy something else just to do this install. So to me, that's cool. This is the wine mod tube.
That's a thick boy.
That's beefy. I mean, here's like a different hose that came off the car. These are what like the majority of the hoses look like.
Is that what stage 1 looks like?
This is before prison. This is after prison.
Oh.
Don't go to jail, kids.
Okay.
So this thing is actually directional, which I wouldn't really have guessed. I don't really know if it makes a difference. Maybe it's just the way that it's cut, or the looms on the end, maybe they look the same, but either way, this one's labeled firewall end. I think it's, no, it's both kind of bottlenecked on both ends. So either way, we're just gonna go with it. Try to straighten this out as much as we can, because it's obviously in this box curved like that to get it to ship. So we'll just kind of have to work on it, straighten it out a little bit. But it's essentially going to run from the back of the airbox like this up to the firewall. It's going to route down here somewhere. Hopefully the two-step doesn't get in the way.
Yes.
And then it'll just kind of be like that, and then we get all the wine noises on the inside.
Yep.
And we will go for a drive tonight just to kind of hear it. We're not gonna do any like insane polls tonight, just because there's a lot of cops out here in Mexico right now, and I'm not trying to go to jail, as I said in the other video.
Not to Mustang Week.
Not Mexican jail. No way, they don't feed you there. But if I go to jail in Mustang Week, as long as they give me a cosmic brownie, I'm happy.
Alright, well, let's get started on this install then.
Let's do it.
Alright, guys. We started the install. Basically, you got to cut a hole through the firewall. The instructions are very simple. You can see where that light's coming through right there.
Slightly scary.
Slightly scary, but the directions are very good. But all we have to do now is cut the hole somewhere in there to fit in the airbox, since it's a closed airbox.
Seriously, that's too big. Too small.
That's where the sound comes from. So we will get back to you once we get that hole in there. We'll probably put the grommets in as well, and maybe start running the hose. It's a pretty quick install, so yeah, we'll see you in a minute. Alright, guys, as you can see, we got the sound tube in there, right there. We haven't quite routed it where we want it, but I think that really is going to be the only place we can put it. Hopefully it doesn't touch headers or anything, but Andy's in there cleaning the inside up, but it's struggling. It's about done. All we'll have to do is he'll have to finish cleaning up that part and then put the airbox cover on, and we'll be done. Alright, guys, we just finished up the install. We're about to go on a test drive real quick.
You want to show them the inside hole?
Oh yeah, where's my light? I already showed you the airbox hole. Let's set the camera down here. Apologize for the darkness. What's up, guys? We forgot to record an outro. It's our bad, not gonna lie. We've been doing this a lot lately, but like we always say, big things are coming. We're working on a lot of things for you guys. Next weekend we're actually going on a little road trip. You'll have some vlog style stuff for that, but yeah, it actually started raining when we were doing the sound tube install, so we didn't actually get any driving footage either. Sorry to disappoint again, but we'll probably add that into the first drive video after the install of the actual supercharger. So we'll probably add that in there, kind of do a quick little video for you guys there. But yeah, we do apologize, but it's Ohio, you never know. One minute it'll be 98 degrees, the next minute it's just pouring down rain. But yeah, guys, that's basically it for the video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.